Hello, thank you for checking out my very quick and easy recipe for cherry pie filling. Towards the end of the video, I also very briefly go over the process of making the pie. So you'll start the process with fresh cherries. I've washed them already and they're ready to pit. I will be using this cherry pita. It's about $8 on Amazon. If you need to buy it, it's linked in the description box. So go ahead and pit all the cherries one at a time and just take your time. You might even need to sit down because it takes quite a few minutes to pit all the cherries. When you're done pitting your cherries, you're going to slice them in halves. As you slice your cherries, it's very important that you pay attention to check if there's any maybe a pit got stuck and is still in there. You want to make sure all the pits are out because they could break your teeth. So just check as you cut them. Now, once you've halved all of your cherries, go ahead and start cooking them. Place the cherries in a deep pot and then add half a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, or maybe quarter teaspoon, just a little bit to round off the flavors. But if you want to leave out salt, it's okay. So start cooking the cherries on medium-high heat just until they begin to release their juice. Then add the juice of one lemon. This adds in extra tartness. Of course, these are red cherries, so they're already tart, but you want to add a little bit more by adding the juice of the lemon. So keep cooking them until they released most of their juices, and it's going to be quite a lot of juice. But you're going to thicken that with cornstarch. So 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with about 1/8 cup of water. Mix that in, and by this time you should have reduced the heat to low because you don't want it bubbling too much with the cornstarch. So the last ingredient is butter, unsalted butter. This is just going to add flavor and a bit of creaminess to the filling. Also, it's going to loosen up the gumminess of the cornstarch. So butter is a must-have ingredient for the pie filling. It's ready now. You're going to let it sit and cool down fully before you use it. Now, a very quick overview on how I made my pie. In case you're interested in this section, just go ahead and place your filling into the pie, and then whether you're using a lattice coverage or full cover, either is okay. If you want to check out my full recipe for this cherry pie, it's already on my channel, so please go check it out. I will also link it to this video. Also, before you go away, please do check out my books on Amazon, and hopefully you'd find a copy that you love. See you in another video. Thank you for stopping by.